I'm JD and I'm here to talk about alternative energy resources. But first, we have to understand what energy is. Energy is the quantitative property that must be transmitted to a body or physical system in order to perform work on it or to heat it according to physics. According to the first law of thermodynamics, often known as the law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. Energy can only be transferred or converted from one form to another. We convert or transform one form of energy from either the wind, sun, water, heat from the earth, or fossil fuels to power different objects from day to day life like appliances, electronics, vehicles, or even bigger industrial machineries in factories or other stuffs. That makes energy one of the most important necessity in our society. There are two types of energy resources: the renewable energy and the non renewable energy. Renewable energy are generate from natural sources that can be replaced over relatively short time scale. Example of renewable energies include solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal. Solar energy derives energy from the power of the sun. The use of photovoltaic cells or solar cells to generate electricity is generally referred to as solar power. Atop a modest scale, a few solar panels on a house roof may be used to generate electricity for that specific dwelling. On a bigger scale, a solar farm could be used as a power plant to generate electricity for its customers. An example of this is like the ones on Calatagan Solar Farm in Calatagan, Batangas. So here I'm using Minecraft as to give you a general idea of what a solar farm looks like in real life in the real world, but I'm using Minecraft. So here are the solar panels that uses photovoltaic cells to capture to capture energy from the sun and in turn give electricity to one of these houses. Geothermal energy derives power from heat within Earth. We generate geothermal energy by tapping into subterranean hot water and steam reservoirs. Buildings can be heated and cooled with geothermal electricity. It can be found in the rocks and fluids beneath the Earth's crust, as well as in the hot, molten rock known as magma. Wells a mile deep are excavated into underground reservoirs to get steam and hot water, which can then be utilized to power turbines attached to electricity generators. The Philippines currently has 7 geothermal fields which supply about 12% of the nation's energy. Wind energy derives power by using wind. The kinetic energy created by moving air is used to generate electricity in the wind. Wind turbines or wind energy conversion systems convert this into electrical energy. The blades of a turbine are initially impacted by the wind, which causes them to revolve and turn the turbine connected to them by turning a shaft attached to a generator and so producing electrical energy through electromagnetic and kinetic energy is converted into rotational energy. The Rizal windmill farm located in Pililla, Rizal is one of the many wind farms that uses wind energy technology in the Philippines. Here I'm using Minecraft again as a to give you a general representation of what a windmill looks like in real life. But again, it's Minecraft and it's blocky. But here's a 3D version of a windmill, and it doesn't move. So yeah, that's it. This is a windmill in Minecraft. Hydropower or hydroelectric power derives power from the motion and flow of moving water. Hydropower is a cost effective source of electricity that is less expensive than most. Because hydropower relies on the energy of moving water, states like Idaho, Washington, and Oregon which rely on it for the majority of their electricity, have cheaper energy bills than the rest of the USA because they are closer to the bodies of water. The elevation difference formed by a dam or diversion construction allows water to flow on one side and out, far below on the other, generating electricity. Angat Dam is located in Barangay San Lorenzo, Hilltop, North Sagaray, Bulacan. It supplies potable water for Metro Manila and powers hydroelectric power plant. Here I'm using Minecraft as a general representation of what a dam looks like in real life that uses hydroelectric power. So here's a dam that is a large body of water and it goes right down here. And this is a dam, it holds water and uses the flow of water to supply energy and electricity to that town right there. So this world, it features a redstone contraption. It's basically like electricity in the game, and that's it. That's what it used to power that town over there. So non-renewable energy. Most non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels like coals, petroleum, natural gases. Carbon is the main element in fossil fuels. For this reason, the time period that fossil fuels formed about 360 to 300 million years ago is called the Carboniferous period. Natural gas is a fossil fuel that was created deep beneath the surface of the earth. Natural gas is a non-renewable hydrocarbon used as a source of energy for heating, cooking, and electricity generation. It is also used as a fuel for vehicles as a chemical feedstock in the manufacture of plastics and other commercially important organic materials. It is made up of variety of chemicals like methane, a molecule having one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms, is the most abundant component of a natural gas. Natural gas also comprises non-hydrocarbon gases including carbon dioxide and water vapor, as well as natural gas liquids or NGLs, which are also hydrocarbon gas liquids. Natural gas is used as a fuel and to manufacture materials and chemicals. Hello guys, thank you for watching. That's it for my stream and I'm about to wrap it up. Thank you and goodbye.